Temperatures are still the focus with our forecast. Sky conditions pretty quiet. Today, though, I've got some good news in the forecast. We're warming up just a little more. A mix of clouds and clear sky right now. A few light snow showers closer to Green Bay, but pretty quiet through southern Wisconsin. Temperatures for the capital city starting the day off close to zero, just a little bit above zero with a calm breeze. So our wind chill sitting in an okay spot right now. We're near 2 for Madison, at 0 in Lone Rock, and 5 in Baraboo, and 3 for Camp Douglas. So these temps yet again chilly, but not quite cold enough. Our wind chill's not quite cold enough to trigger a cold weather advisory this morning. Winds coming from the northwest. That will continue through the afternoon. We are tracking some more sunshine later this afternoon and a pretty quiet future track for your Thursday. By 12 o'clock, we are mostly sunny. Winds still from the northwest, but temperatures will climb just a little higher today, landing in the lower 20s. By our afternoon, high temps are peaking in the low 20s. Tomorrow, we have a nice little shift in wind direction that starts to pump in some warmer air. Highs on Friday still expected to land in the low 20s, but we have that warming trend pushing us towards the weekend. Mostly sunny skies today, winds from the northwest. That will continue overnight, mostly clear overnight, with our overnight lows falling close to zero. Tomorrow, mostly sunny with that shift in wind direction happening later in the day. Highs will reach the low 20s again, but then we start to warm up. Our long-range outlook is trending warmer than average for much of the central part of the country. A nice change of pace since we've all been sitting in such a cold spot for the last few weeks. We will see a little warming trend heading into Sunday and Monday. Not swinging one way or the other, though, for any precipitation chances. Generally staying pretty dry through the rest of this week and this weekend, and possibly some rain chances creeping into the forecast by the middle of next week. But before we get to that, we've got temps in the low 20s with sunshine today and tomorrow. We warm up just a bit on Saturday, upper 20s for highs. And Sunday, we finally climb above average. That's when we have the big jump into the mid 30s. Hold on to that sunny trend into early next week. There's a slight chance for an isolated shower late Monday and Tuesday with high temperatures in the 40s. We're going to stay in the 40s through next week. Overnight lows drop down below freezing, though, so keeping a close eye on any precip chances as they push in. Could have a little wintry mix at times if our temperatures start to drop any lower. But again, that precip doesn't arrive until the middle of next week.